Hello everyone. In this video, we'll explore the features and capabilities of our Gfile search component. This will allow you to upload new files directly in Google Drive and attach them to Salesforce Record. Once files are uploaded, you can also search and filter for those files and perform various actions like download, preview, delete, edit, copy, move, etc. Let's go through each of these functionalities one by one. First, navigate to the Account Record Detail page. And you will see our Gfile search component on the right-hand side. And since there are no files attached to this account, it is not showing any files right now. Now, let's first see how to upload new Gfiles for this account record. Click on the Upload button. Click on Choose Files and select the files you want to upload from your local storage. Alternatively, you can simply drag and drop files from local storage. Once you've made your selection, you can set the properties of the files. You can change the file name and provide description. Click on Edit if you want to set additional properties of Gfiles like category, file download view type, etc. These file properties are configurable. You can enable and disable these properties as per your needs. Once properties are set, click Save. If you want to remove some files from the list, you can click the Delete icon in the Action column. If everything is fine, click Upload. This will create the account name folder in Google Drive and upload all selected files in that folder. You can abort the file upload which is in progress by simply clicking the Abort icon in the Action column. Once all files are uploaded, you will see a success message and newly uploaded files will be displayed in the list. Let's first see how you can filter files related to the record. If there are large numbers of files attached to the Salesforce record and you want to search the specific files using name, provide the keyword in the search bar and click on Search. You will see all Gfiles whose name contains that keyword. Also, you can search files using advanced filter criteria. It will help you search files more efficiently. Let's try that. Click on Add Filter. Select the field, operator and value which you want to use as the criteria. Click Done. You can add multiple criteria. Once all criteria are added, click on Apply Filter. This will display all files which meet the selected criteria. By default, we have enabled file name and created date fields for filter criteria, but you can also enable other fields. Let's go through the actions available for files. Let's start with Download and Preview. You can download and preview any file related to the record. Click on Download from the menu and it will download the file in your local storage. Once the file is downloaded, you can open that file in your local machine. If you do not want to download it in your local storage, then click on Preview. Preview will load the file directly inside Salesforce and you will not have to download the file in local storage to view it. Let's proceed to the next item. If you want to see the full detail of the Gfile record, click on Detail from the menu and it will display full Gfile record detail. You can also change the properties of the Gfiles. Click Edit from the menu. It will open a pop-up. From there you can change the value of Gfile fields like name, description, category, etc. and save it. We support file versioning as well, which means if you have updated a file which is already present in Google Drive, you can upload that modified file as a new version of that existing file. Click New Version from the menu for the Gfile. Click on Choose Files and select the updated file which you want to upload as a new version. Specify the description of changes you made in the file in the What Changed field and click Upload. This will upload the selected file as a new version in Google Drive. We also allow users to copy the file from one folder to another folder of the Salesforce record. Let's see how it works. For example, there is an account record which has two subfolders called Invoices and Agreements, and a few files under the account name folder. You can see that here in File Explorer. Now you can copy this file from the account name folder to the Invoices folder. To do that, click Copy from the menu for the G file. Select the folder Invoices in which you want to copy the file as target record. If you want to copy all file versions along with the file, then set the Copy Versions checkbox to True. If you want to delete the source file in the account name folder once it is copied, then set the Delete Source Files checkbox to True. Click Copy and the file will be copied to the Invoices folder. Let's refresh the File Explorer and you can see that the file is copied to the Invoices folder. The same way, you can also move files from one folder to another folder of the Salesforce record using the Move action in the menu. Next action is Delete. We allow users to delete G files from Salesforce and Google Drive. Click on Delete from the menu for G file which you want to delete. This will remove the G file from the Salesforce as well as from Google Drive permanently if Soft Delete is disabled and G-Link Recycle Bin is disabled. If G-Link Recycle Bin is enabled, then deleted G file will be moved to G-Link Recycle Bin and it stays there for a few days before it gets deleted permanently, and during that time, if you want, you can restore that file from G-Link Recycle Bin. You can also select multiple files and delete them using the Delete action in the menu at the top. These files will also go in G-Link Recycle Bin if enabled. Thank you for watching.